Leli komiti lihamba nemayini lifuna kubuka ukuthi mbamba bakwendekani. Libese liyahamba liyokhuluma nalabo labathinzeka kokulendzaba kude ukusho ukuthi lihlangabetene nani ngukuphi lelimikisa eParliamente. Kepha-ke lokumile kuthi kudzinga lusito loluphuthumako elilimayini.
Mawubheka ukuthi uhulumeni ngeke ayibeke le ndawo njengendawo yenhlekelelo as a disaster area ukwenzela ukuthi kuzokwazi ukuthi kutholakale indlela zokuthi kutakule okanye kukhishwe laba bantu.
Lokuba khona kwalabantu laba beParliamente kulethela ithemba kulabo lese bahlede ngaphandle kwemayini isikhathi lesidze lokufaka ekhathi imindeni yalaba labathathu labasesemathunjini emhlaba.
Ithemba livuselelekile ngoba njengoba sina 529 emalanga sikhempile la ngiloko lebesikhala ngako ukuthi ababuye bonke iDMRE ababuye nayo advantage baphathi bayo ababuye nalaba lekuthiwa abafuna ukuthenga or bathenga le mayini.
Ngabhimbidvane umholi wenhlangano yepolitiki Action SA Herman Mashaba waya kule mayini washo nekusho ukuthi utabasita laba bekunene kuthi basitwe ngumthetho kulesimo laba bukene naso.
We are ready to go to court to force the DMR to do exactly what the portfolio committee is suggesting.
Lona lekungiyena timisele ngekusasa lemayina achubeka isebenzise uthi utimisele kucala kusebenta kepha-ke ingcinamba lenkulu yiVantage Goldfields SA.
We remain committed, to both the retrieval of the container and also to reopen the mine.
Kepha-ke iVantage Goldfields SA ithi iParliamente ayiphume nemhlahlandlela.
The chairperson has obviously got his views about putting his issues to Parliament, and of course we must allow that process to continue.
Leli komiti ke litawuchubeka leLimpopo eThabazimbi lapho kugujwa khona iPlatinum. Ngingusiphephile kunene wetindzaba te-SABC eBarberton.